Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sanjay Pagar, Associate Professor, Department of Geography. Dear student, I welcome all of you in this online lecture series on behalf of Maratha Vidya Prasar Samajas, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College Nasik. Dear student, this is our MSc Geography Part First Class, Semester 2nd and code of our subject is GGDT 130. And title of our subject is Geography of Tourism. Dear student, today in this lecture we are going to talk about the topic number first, that is Introduction to Geography of Tourism. And in this topic we have a subtopic that is very important, importance of tourism. Dear student, you know that tourism is a very important tertiary activity. The activity or the practice of touring, especially for pleasure, is known as tourism, that we are already discussed in our previous lecture in detail. Tourism is widely recognized as the world's largest and the fastest growing industry in the world. Importance of tourism arises from the number of benefits and advantages it brings to any host country, especially where the tourism activity is conducted on a large scale. This country are also known as the tourist country. So dear student, in such a country, we have a lot of benefit we get through this tertiary activity. Tourism has always been a booming sector across the globe. Especially I am talking about the European country where this activity is flourished on a large scale. If we are talking about in 2019, the travel and tourism sector contributed 10.4% to the global GDP. That is very important information. These numbers, this statistics information indicate that the role of tourism and travel and tourism is a very important, very vital at the international economy. So therefore, you know that the tourism is a really very important activity that support each and every field directly and indirectly. A share which is decreased to 5.5% in 2020 due to the ongoing restriction of mobility due to this corona pandemic. So therefore, dear student, but I'm sure that within few countries, when the situation is become normal, then again this sector will play an important role in the economic development of each and every country. Dear student, let us talk about what is the importance of tourism. The first very important point that we, with help of this point, we are going to talk about what is the importance of the tourism. That is economic progress. Dear student, you know that the tourism contribute toward the complete growth and development of a country, one by bringing a number of economic value and benefits. The tourism industry benefits our country in generating the foreign currency due to the various activity directly and indirectly. When the foreign tourists visit to our country, that time that host country gets such type of the benefit that when that foreign tourists spend a lot of money for the various purpose in the host country, that time that host country earn the foreign currency through such type of the international tourists. So therefore, this is also very important benefits. Every year, a large number of tourists visit to the other country. They visit to the various places. All this contributes to a significant amount of foreign currency, and that help to the generate the foreign currency in that particular country due to the tourism activity. Another important importance of tourism, that is improving international understanding and the social unity. This is a really very important benefit that we are getting from the tourism activity. Tourism helps to increase the international understanding, especially when at the time of the international tourism, that time various people or the various people visit to a different country of the globe. That time when they visit to each and other country, that time this activity has increased the international understanding due to the interaction between foreign tourists and the local people, improving the international understanding. Even in India also, every year thousands of the people from the various part of the world they visited to the Goa, Kerala, Rajasthan, Aurangabad, Verul and Aurangabad. These are the places where every year thousands of the foreign people are coming. When they come and visit to the local our country, that time they interact with the local people, and therefore there is a always the communication or the interaction due to the various purposes. So this type of the interaction is very helpful to improving the international understanding and the social unity. It has been a contributor to the international goodwills and as a prime means of developing social and the cultural understanding among all the people or people of the world. Therefore, this is a really very important benefits that we are gets from the especially I'm talking about the international tourism that are conducted at the international level. Let us talk about another very important the benefits of the tourism, that is improvement in health. Dear student, tourism help to improve health of tourists, especially the medical tourism is a type of the tourism where in this tourism we get such type of the benefits. The medical tourism is a global health practice where the patient travel internationally with the intention of receiving the medical service. The number of the various countries have a such type of the medical tourism. Therefore, when the patient and his family visited to that particular place, that place receive the such type of the benefit. The other important thing that even that patient is also improving very fastly, recover very fastly, mentally as well as physically due to the such type of the tourism. A tourist based the benefits which an individual gets from the sunrise or the fresh air have a long recognized. Since from a long period you might be the heard that this type of the activity is conducted when any person is suffering due to the some mental and the physical problem. And that time when he visited to the hill station or the beautiful natural place at that time, that due to this natural fresh air and the other the calm air, therefore he recover very fastly, and not only mentally but physically he recover himself very fastly when he was in a hill station or maybe in a very beautiful natural background. So therefore this is really very important. Even in India also, like of Bangalore, Delhi, Nasik, these are cities where this type of the benefit that cities are getting. When we are talking about at the international level, East Asia, Cuba, and Canada are the few and the other few more popular destinations where this kind of the medical tourism is developed on a large scale, and that country are taken that gets a lot of benefit due to the economical benefits also. And that person who is as a visit to that places as a patient also as a tourist, that time also the improvement, especially I'm talking about the recovering in the physical fitness, in the medical in the mental fitness, that is very important benefit that particular person get due to the tourism. So therefore this is also very important, especially if we see where a country where we have this type the medical tourism is developed or the health tourism is developed in that country, the development of a spa during this industry is very important. Mentally disturbed people also recover during the stay of such a person in a hill station at tourist places. In India also we have the very famous some hill station like a Simla, Mahabaleshwar, Nainital. These are the places they are famous due to the this type of the tourism. Especially the hill station are very important for the patient person or to recover himself a very within a short period. And definitely this type of the places famous due to the health purposes. So therefore dear student, these are the really very important things that due to the health tourism we get not only that person that patient is get recover himself very quickly, but also the local people that are providing the various services to that person and his family, they are also get some economical benefit through the health tourism or the medical tourism. Another important thing is that is the important benefits of the tourism is cultural exchange and the social advantages. Really, this is the really very important advantages that we have get due to the medical due to the various type of the tourism. Tourism gives opportunity to the people of the various culture to assimilate together. When the people are come together due to the tourism activity, that time really there is a cultural exchange between the host people and the tourists. People belonging to various culture meet together and understand to each other. They try to understand the culture of the each and every person, and during that, this is the process is always help to the social integration in that people. And therefore, especially I'm talking about that at the international level, due to the such activity, the cultural exchange, we have a very important social integration benefit that we get from the tourism activity. Dear student, this give them an opportunity to build a respect to each other. Hence, the foster culture harmony. Suppose in India also, we have the Rajasthan, we have the Kerala, we have the Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Delhi. These are the places where this type of the cultural exchange is on in a large scale due to the tourism activity, and that is also help to the social integration of that particular places. So therefore, this is a really very important advantages that the benefit that we get from the tourism. It also helps the understanding the cultural advantages. It can a source of the pride of the local community and allow them to look at their history and the cultural heritage and develop their own community identity. Yes, dear student, you know that the culture of the Kerala, culture of the Rajasthan, culture of the Kashmir, here we have such type of the activity. Really, not only the local people is get the benefit, but the person, the tourists that are visited to the places, they are also get a lot of knowledge, lot of information about their own and local culture, the tribal culture, the traditional culture, their festival, their songs, their way of living, their clothes, and everything that they get through this activity. So therefore, there is a cultural exchange at the international level due to the tourism activity. So this is a really very important benefit that we are getting. Tourism help to preserve the history of the region that may be a risk of being lost. So therefore, especially I'm talking about in the South African country, we have such type of the really very good history of that region. Even the European country have its own history. Asian countries have its own history. Like India also have its own history. So when due to this cultural activity, this tourism activity, this history of that particular place, that region is a concern, or maybe the very very important thing that the which might be a loss, is going to loss, but due to the culture, this activity, we can able to save them on a large scale. So therefore, this is also one very important benefit that we are getting through the tourism activity. Another important thing, diversification in the source. Yes, dear student, when the tourism activities flourish at a particular place in any region, that time it bring the prosperity to an economy of that particular region. It also allow an economy to develop a new form of income. It is an important source of the income, because when the tourism activities develop, that time directly or indirectly other field is also in it. May be the hotel industry, travel industry, or maybe the other services and transportation, communication, and other type of the services that are directly and indirectly related to the tourism, that is also flourish in that particular area. Tourism also create the many jobs as a local people start their own business in the tourist industry. If you visit to any place, you will observe there are numbers of the business or the jobs. They are related to the directly or indirectly with that tourist activity, the tourism activity. So therefore, this is a really important sector that generate a lot of job to the people, especially where the tourism activity is developed or it is going to develop. So therefore, this is also very important benefit that we are getting from the tourism. Bringing tourists in a community give a life and create the opportunity for interfere to establish new services and products or facilities that would not be sustainable based on the local population of the residents alone. So therefore, such type of the benefits we are getting due to the tourism activity that is developed at particular places. It provides the various job directly and indirectly. I just talk about it may be the hotel industry, it may be the travel industry, it may be the hospitality industry. These all things are support, get the support from the tourism activity. The tourism allow a community to diversify their source of the income and rely less on a single industry, especially the country where this activities flourish or are going to flourish. That country gets sustained the benefit due to the development of the tourism activity. Let us talk about the another important benefit, that is the marketing development. Yes, dear student, when the tourists visit at any place, that they are doing a lot of shopping, and through this shopping, that local market, the market of that particular place is flourished, is developed on a large scale. Development of the tourist industry or activity directly support to the development market and the tourist places. If we see, each and every tourist places have its own market corner, own market shopping center, and that you always, whenever you go, there is always crowd of the tourists to buy different type of the local items, the articles, various things they would like to take through from that particular place. Therefore, the marketing activity develop, especially at the international level. Some marketplaces are very famous, or the developed due to the only tourism activity. A place like Paris, London, Rome, Jaipur, Agra, Panji, Udaipur, Jaisalmer, uh, Delhi. These are the cities where the shopping center or the shopping is increased on a large scale only due to the tourism activity. The credit goes to that tourist. Those are visited to these places, and therefore this is a really very important benefit that particular marketplace of that country or maybe that city is gets. Another important thing, that is growth of service sector. You know that the tourism activity is a tertiary activity where the numbers of the other services sector is also involved directly and indirectly in this sector. Service sector engage in the tourism sector get the most out of the tourist sector. A large number of business engage in the service sector, such as, just I mentioned some of few of them. Let us see the other: airlines, hotel, surface transportation, the tourist guide, then the other numbers of things. They are always engaged and correlated with the tourism activity, and they grow with the growth of the tourism industry. When the tourism is growth, that means simultaneously this all sectors also goes. Even the, especially I'm talking about the tourist guide is also very important services that provided by there are some agencies, they are providing such type of the services to the tourist. The driver, the taxi driver, maybe the car driver, this transport sector also get a lot of things, lot of benefit through this activity or through this tertiary activity. And therefore, this all sector, it may be the hotel, it may be transportation, it may be the service sector, even the communication sectors also get a lot of thing, lot of benefit through this tourism activity. So, directly and indirectly, all these sectors those are related directly and indirectly with the tourism activity or tourism industry that also simultaneously develop with the tourism development of that particular place or that particular country. A country like France, Spain, China, Italy, Germany, USA, and even the India are the major countries have a great growth in this sector due to the tourism during the last few years. So therefore, dear student, all these countries have get a lot of benefit through this tourism sector. Let us talk the another very important benefit that we are getting from the tourism. Tourism is a vital for the success of the many economies around the world. There are several benefits of the tourism on the host destination. So that is very important. Tourism boosts the renewal of the economy of the various countries where the tourism is developed too much. Even in countries like India or maybe the China, Italy, Spain, France, these are the countries where they get a lot of money only through the revenue. And that is a really important part to boost their country's economy. It helps to develop an infrastructure of a country. Yes, this is very important. When any tourist place is going to develop, that time also the transportation the sector, even the communication sector or the hotel, these all sectors are always developed with the development of the tourism activities. Therefore, this type of thing, even the electricity or the water supply or maybe the other supporting system that are required for the tourists, that also develop with the development of the tourism at that particular place. If you see the any tourist places or the country, there you will observe that all these basic supporting system, it may be accommodation, transportation, communication, these are the infrastructure is developed on a large scale only due to the tourism activity. The credit goes to the tourism activity. Due to that activity, this all infrastructure is developed on a large scale. So therefore, this is a really very important benefit that we are get due to the tourism of that particular place. Dear student, these are the some references you can use to update your notes, and you will get the extra knowledge about these points. This was about the today's lecture. Dear student, in next lecture we are going to talk about the what is the benefit of tourism, particularly for India. So how the economy and the other sector gets benefit through the tourism activity that are flourish or the growing in India. That we are talking in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.